What's up, you guys? I am so excited for today's unboxing from Saleyla Bikinis. It has been a long time since I have been on YouTube, but I have to do a YouTube unboxing for this suit because I am so excited. First, I just want to give a huge shout out to Saleyla Bikinis, Saleyla Suits. They are just amazing and such a personal company. Literally, I can text them. Like, it is amazing to work with them. This is the second suit, or third, if you count a posing suit. I have not seen this suit yet. All I told them was the color that I wanted and gave them, my measurements, and they made it happen. Not only did they make it happen, but they made it happen in like less than a week, I think it's been. Already here with me right now, and I am so excited to unbox it and see it the first time with you. Other suit from them is a gorgeous like royal blue velvet bikini. I thought you might be able to see it back there, but you can't. If you want to see that one, go to my Instagram. It's gorgeous. I've had it for a while, and this is actually the first time I've gotten to wear it on stage a couple weeks ago, and it was beautiful. But I think we need something a little more vibrant, especially for the Republic of Texas, which is literally a week away now. It is such a big show, and royal blue is a beautiful color, but it is really popular. A color that less people can pull off. I think I can pull it off, so we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. My dogs think that this is something for them, and the tripod is sitting on the couch so that every time they move, it's moving the camera. So here we have the beautiful Saleyla Bikinis box. I can't wait. This is so much more fun when you haven't seen the suit. Like, because last time I knew what the suit looked like. I knew exactly what crystals were gonna be on it. And this one, all I know is the fabric. I chose the fabric, the color, that's it. I don't know if it's gonna be in tissue paper, if I'm just gonna open it and see it right away. Oh yeah, it's in a bag. Just kidding. Oh. Wait, I can see a peek of it. Oh my gosh. Here it is. You can kind of see a sneak peek of it. You get the beautiful velvet bag to protect it, like in your luggage or in your drawer, wherever you store your suit. Bikini business card. And they can literally make anything for you, and they'll do it really fast. So, especially if you're on a time crunch, they're just so, like I said, so personable. Here is the velvet bag that it comes with to protect it. Perfect. Wow, okay. Here is the suit. Oh my gosh, look at how sparkly that is. The lights are not on in here. There is no light. I'm not using any light to film. And it's like sunset outside, so it's not super bright in here right now. And look how sparkly it already is. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna be the perfect color. Wow, that is what Saleyla suits made me. Wow. Okay, let's see. So, oh my goodness, this is just stunning in every single way. Oh. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite suit I've ever gotten. Like, I have a couple I've got used. I have had two that I have sold from another brand. I've had it, like, for somebody who hasn't competed like for that long, I have had my fair share of suits, and this is, I think, the most well-made and most beautiful one I have had. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm so excited. I did a, like, as you can see, like on here, we did like a teal aqua fabric, and then they did green and blue crystals, so that it pulls kind of more teal than just like straight up like super light blue. Look at the colors. Last week of prep, well, it's not the last week, but like the last week before peak week has not been fun. And this just makes me more like excited now about finishing out the prep strong. Thank you so much, Saleyla Bikinis, for your hard work and your rush making this from literally scratch. They've never, you know, this isn't one that they just had. They had to fully custom make this for me. And I also do wellness front and bottoms. I just think for me that is more flattering on my waistline. So it kind of like dips down in a V a little more. You can kind of see how there's like a V instead of just like that scoop. They outdid themselves, they really did. So here is the front of the bottoms and the back. Guys, this suit it's really well made. I'm in shock. And I'm also really excited because this part is a clip one. Like clasp it like that, and then it has the adjuster right here. And I've recently been only wearing the ones you have to tie, and I think this is gonna make getting ready so much easier to have that clasp and the adjustable part. You also won't have like the tie of the bow like coming down your back. Sometimes that happens. I can't stop. This is gonna be stunning with the hair. I'm so excited. This is my Saleyla Suits bikini unboxing that they custom made me super quickly. And guys, wow. If you guys are looking for a bikini, they will work with your budget. I know they have some budget-friendly bikinis, and they will make a bikini for you so quickly. They're so fast that I have noticed other companies do not have. Is on their connectors. They're kind of reinforced in the back. If you can see that kind of like reinforcement, and they don't feel as fragile. Of course, you still need to be careful with your connectors. You can't just like go pulling on them super hard, but I think this really helps them be more secure because that like part in the back is so thick. They are less likely to snap because that is a really common problem. I have not experienced that personally, but I do know that happens where people's connectors will just snap, whether it be from them pulling on them or twisting them. And yeah, theirs are reinforced really well. Thank you so much, Saleyla Bikinis, for this beautiful suit. If you guys are in the market for a new bikini, or you know, you need one last minute for any reason, definitely check out Saleyla Suits, Saleyla Bikinis on Instagram. They're just incredible. Truly, they can make your suit dreams come true, and they will do it quickly. If you would like a suit and you want a little discount, you can use my code RACHIEDEMP at checkout, and that will save you some money on one of their stunning suits. I cannot wait to wear this on stage. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram at RACHIEDEMPFit, and you'll get to see it there. Last look at how stunning this is. You guys so much for watching. Definitely check them out. I will leave all the links to their website and information, as well as my code, down below for you. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I gotta feed the streets. My pussy gon' bleed the streets. Ski mask on my face. Sometimes you gotta cheat.